Very cool flashlight for review from Sofirn. This is the IF23 Pro. You probably know, if you're looking for this flashlight, you probably have seen their IF24 Pro, one of which I have here. This is the IF24 Pro. This is one of my favorite flashlights in 18650 size factor. Very versatile, very practical. Everything tested fine, performed beautifully, and the Pro version especially has a very long throw and a warm temperature color. I liked everything about this flashlight and decided to keep it. This is a keeper. So then I saw they released a larger version, IF23 Pro, so I requested this in for review. Size, this is 18650, this is 21700 cell. Both come with their own proprietary batteries. Well, not proprietary so much, re-revved by Sofirn. So a rechargeable 5000 milliamp, very nice. Both sides, as you can see, are spring loaded, so that's also nice to see. And we get a chunky rubber O-ring, and the threads on Sofirns that I receive are always lubricated, and that's also very nice to see. Now this has an edge and the glass inside is recessed. We get that orange peel reflector inside, and the usual function button, multifunction button, which changes the modes. And we have this small indicator LED in the center of the button, unlike the 24 version, IF24. Then we also have almost, I think, not almost, but basically double the amount of side LEDs here. The frequency, as you can see, is higher, so the outputs are also different. The TIR lens in here, as I said, gives you that long throw beam shot. This is more of a floodlight, but it illuminates very, very well, as we will see here in the night shots. So we have the IF23 Pro by Sofirn outside. A beast of a flashlight. It does have a eco/moon mode, so you hold down to get into that, and that is the moon, which is 5 lumens. That should give us a 8 meters and a runtime of 350 hours. So what is that, 35 nights more. Next one, low. So the low mode on the Sofirn IF23 Pro is 100 lumens. That should go for 33 meters and run for 30 hours. So 3 nights, 33 meters. The next one is 550 lumens. That's the medium mode. That should go 77 meters for the beam distance and 6 hours of runtime. Definitely going beyond that, 77 meters. And the next one is the high mode. That is 1300 lumens, 120 meters of beam distance, and that should go for 3 hours. 120 meters, it is definitely doing 120 meters. And then to go to turbo, we double click, and from 1300 out. It's supposed to jump to the turbo of 5000 lumens, but I'm not sure that I'm seeing that. So that is the high. High is 1300. If I double click, it should go to turbo, which should be 5000. But to be honest, I don't see, it should be almost 4 times as strong, right? So let's see, double click. Yeah, there is an increase, but it doesn't feel like a 5000 lumen increase from 1300. Maybe the high mode is higher than 1300 lumen because the jump does not seem, so see, I downstepped to high mode. This should be the high mode. The battery is fully charged, so I don't know what's up. So I'll double click just one more time just to check. So I'll come closer, right? So that should be 1300 lumens. Now I will double click to turbo of 5000 as claimed. I'm not saying this is not 5000 lumen. This may be 5000 lumen. What I'm saying is the jump from high to turbo is not as drastic as it should be on paper, right? Okay, so that is the main light. What I can say is there is the turbo mode, and on turbo mode this illuminates very well, a huge wide beam of illumination. Now I want to really quickly throw in another pro version of the Sofirn. This is the IF24 Pro. This is the 18650 version, and the IF23 Pro is the 21700 version. And I know that many of you will be wondering how they compare. So let me turn on the IF24 Pro. So this is the high mode, and then that's the turbo on the IF24 Pro. But you see that this has much stronger spotlight and much farther beam distance than the IF23 Pro. So that's the IF23 Pro. Now I will bring in the IF24 Pro, and you see up in that turn it illuminated much better. But it does not, definitely doesn't come close in terms of the wide beam shot. So it's not a floodlight as much as the IF23 Pro. So now let's quickly run through the side light functions, because those are also interesting on the outside. So a single click. This is the RGB. That shouldn't be very interesting, but in case you're wondering how much illumination it gives in the RGB mode, I will quickly run through all the different colors. And here's my foot. So it doesn't really give much illumination. This is more of a party videography type of thing, you know, that kind of functionality. Now for the other side light, here we go. If we hold down, it'll go up, then it blinks. If you click again, it'll come down. I actually like the speed of ramping up. It's not that fast, and it comes down slow. And if you double click in any position, it'll go to turbo. So for this side light, we should have, the lowest setting is half lumen, 8 meters of beam distance. Beam distance is not specified for the side light until high and turbo. And the high, so let's see, that should be 32 meters at 400 lumens. And let's see, 32 meters, yeah, no problem. It's probably doing 32 meters. And then if I double click, it should jump to 750 lumens. And the beam distance should be 42 meters, should run for 3.5 hours. So yeah, it's a pretty strong side light for as a main light for your camp chores, etc. around your campsite. Good, pretty good. Quite impressed. Always impressed with Sofirn products. This is another winner from them, and a very capable one to take camping. Here are the numbers. Specs are very promising. Main light 350 hours and 850 hours on the side light, on the minimal settings, the lowest settings. And then obviously you get the 5000 lumen turbo mode. But the high is 1300 lumen. So I like how they didn't pump the high mode very, you know, in the above 2,000 or 3,000. You don't need it because you do have a turbo mode, and that saves battery. You can do it for 2 hours. As you can see, side light, it'll do 400 lumens for 32 meters, 120 meters, 3 hours, right? The main light will give you at the high mode 3 hours, and the side light will give you 4 hours, again high modes. And then on the turbo mode, 2 hours for the main light and 3.5 hours for your side light, because on the turbo it jumps all the way up to 5000 lumens. I checked the operation, the button, everything seems to be very well done and executed. Now the only thing that I would add to this thing is reverse charging, because it is such a large capacity battery. Just to be able to reverse charge your other devices, your smaller flashlight or your mobile if you're running low from the flashlight, would be a great addition. Other than that, I like absolutely everything. I can't really add anything to the flashlight. Please make sure that you use the discount code, which will give you a saving, and I recommend the light. Now the question is, which one would I take? For EDC, the obvious choice is this, plus it has more of a spotlight long beam throw, so in an urban environment maybe also better suited. But for your camping and outdoors, definitely this has more capacity. So depending on what you need, both are pro versions, both are very high quality, and I recommend both. Thank you for watching, and make sure that you subscribe.